Oh, hi, I'm cooking. I'm in a different place, but I've been here before, so you're probably not too surprised. But anyway, we're really cooking today. I'm gonna make spinach pasta. And you're probably thinking, oh, you guys gotta make some pasta with spinach in it. But, well, sort of, but not what you're expecting, because it's not gonna be like pasta with like leaves of spinach in it. It's gonna be like pasta with spinach in it. But I mean, it'll make more sense. Here we just watch. So I'm gonna need 120 grams of pasta, and I got my handy dandy gram measuring device down there. Oh boy, that's 97. That's too much. Oh wait, it's only 4 grams too much, so I'm gonna call it good. I'm gonna put that in here. It's a thing that makes things go chopped up into small pieces. Oh boy. Oh, I dropped some. That's okay though, because I was a little over anyway, so that was probably perfect, right? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh boy, and hear the groovy music I got too. It's real good music. And now, I need 180 grams of this. This is flour. You make pasta from it. Oh, too much. Too much. I get a spoon. Too much. Still too much. Still too much. Yeah, that's good enough. Now I'm gonna take that, put it in here, in the same container with my spinach. Whoa. And you're probably thinking, whoa man, don't you need some eggs in there to make pasta flour from? You don't? Because I don't really know why, but you don't. I mean, you get some moisture out of the spinach, so you think it would need to get some binding agent, but apparently it doesn't. Who designed this? Oh. Also, did you hear Morton Salt got bought by some like giant investor company, and they fired 40% of the employees, because that's what giant investor companies do. They go and they fire everybody so they can make money. Oh boy. So I don't know if I'm a fan of Morton Salt anymore, because they're gonna be part of this big giant investment firm that's gonna be evil now. I hate that. So that's half a teaspoon of salt. Boom, right in there. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it right there. And we're gonna make a lot of noise in a second. Come on over here and check it out. Now look at that. It's like a bunch of dough now. So now you can turn it off, because, you know, you don't want to stick your hand in there when it's running, your hand will come off. And then you'll be like in a lot of pain and junk like that. Woo! All right. You can take this out because you don't want to stick your hand in there when it's plugged in and stuff. So look at this. Ooh, it's warm. Ooh, that's exciting. So then you got your pasta. It looks green. It's green. And then you can take it and you shape it into your own little pasta thingies. Look at that one. You can make any shape you want. If you have like a fancy, pasta machine, you can make it into any shape your heart desires. I'm making mine into kind of like fat worms over here. I like to roll them out. Make sure your countertop's real clean too when you do this, because if your countertop's dirty, then you're gonna get dirty pasta, and it's gonna go in your bones and get you dirty bones, then you're gonna die. So don't do that. Nope. All right. So we'll come back to this in a second. Okay, this is the final step. We're gonna put it in the thing now, and you only need to go in there for like a minute or something like that, because they're fresh, so they cook super fast. And you just drop them in the boiling water, and then I got a thing that looks like this. I'm gonna scoop them out with, because you don't want to scoop up a bunch of water. So put them in. I like to stir them a little bit, separate them, so they don't all stick together in a big old noodly clump. See you in a minute. Already now, just took a little bit. Look at they grew. They got real fat. They're kind of like, it reminds me of like cavatelli. It's kind of like a gnocchi, but it's made out of flour instead of potatoes. It's kind of like they're giant cavatelli pastas. Look how thick they are. They're super thick. I got them in sauce, because That's how you eat pasta, right? You put it in sauce. Let's see how they taste, though. Maybe they'll taste like spinach. They don't. They taste like wonderful, wonderful cavatelli worms. It's fantastic.